Hello everyone and welcome back to Can & Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Delonghi Specialista espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do quite a lot of work because in order to get inside the machine you have to remove these back panels on all the way. The whole frontal panel needs to be removed as well. There's a couple of screws from here, and here. The whole back panel on the bottom we have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 screws in order to just open this machine. Once we got there, we noticed that the two-way valve and the three-way valve that's here were leaking all over the place inside the machine. So we had to replace that, and we also had to replace the elbows of each solenoid valve. Go connect it like this, and as you can see, this one is also completely damaged, so we really had to replace those. We replaced the group head inlet valve, this one that you see right here. This goes right here on top of the group head. We also replaced the gasket of it, and as well as the mushroom valve. You can still see here the older spring of it and other parts of the machine. So yeah, we did quite a lot of work. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. Now we're using our, but for that, the machine just turned off. We're using our test coffee, and we are using the third setting of the machine. The fourth setting of the machine, sorry. Now let me get my cup. And now let's do that shot of espresso. Pressure gauge just all the way to the optimal zone. Leave it past the optimal zone as this is on the red, so probably I should have used fifth setting for this machine. Even so, we're still getting a good extraction coming out of the portafilter. We're getting crema on the bottom, and we're also seeing no leaks coming out from the group head, from the side of the machine, or anywhere else in the on it. I'm gonna manually stop this shot over here, and then we can test now the hot water and then the steam. As you can see, hot water, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, looking great. Now we will test the steamer. Now the thermal block inside the machine is increasing in temperature. We're seeing much more steam coming out of the steamer one, and as you can hear and see, excellent pressure, really good temperature. Great steam. So there you have it, the Delonghi Specialista working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Can & Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit a like, hit a bell, and thanks for watching.